Hi, welcome to Parametric House. In this Grasshopper tutorial, we're going to define two curves. One is going to be the curve for the boundary of the plate, and another one is going to be for the solid difference. As you can see here, we can define the thickness for the plate here. The second thickness is going to be the solid difference we're going to give to that. So this tool is going to be easy to use if you want to make this simple plate and connection. The next thing is the point, which is going to be the location of the pin where you want to do that. And also there's a second point, which is the location of the 3D visualization. So you can just move that if you want to put it in another location. As you can see here, this is the two curves, boundaries, and the point, and this is for the 3D visualization. There is also a cluster example file which you can use to give the curve for this first curve, the second curve, the plate thickness, the second thickness, the pin radius, the point which is the location on the boundaries, and the second point which is the location of the 3D visualization, and a pin multiplication just to put it outside the boundary. Okay, let's take a look at the algorithm.